All right, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to locate the replays for Diversified Capital Aristocrats. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are in the Mighty Network. The link would be provided to you. Once you're in the Mighty Network, you're going to see that the Mighty Network is broken up in three different spots: groups, courses, and topics. If you look over here on the left hand side, so that's going to be groups, courses, and topics. Now, depending on what you're looking for, you're going to want to click on the actual word. Okay, so a lot of the replays from classes are in the groups section. So we're going to hit the word groups, right? And once you hit the word groups, you'll see all of the options of different groups that you can join. Now, particularly, like I said, for the replays, you're going to want to look in the groups section and you'll see all of the groups for the class replays right here from making money methods on down. So we have making money methods, we have Monday beginner onboarding, we have Tuesday chart and trading, we have Wednesday study hall and dApps, we have investing techniques and strategies, and then we also have the alpha testers. All of these groups right here from making money on down have replays on them. So you click in the group as such. Once you click in the group, you'll see the general part, the community part. Then you're going to click on the course materials section. So when you click on the course materials section, you will find videos, workbooks, etc. from the classes. Okay. Again, let's check the Monday line. In the course community, like the course materials, and we will see things like that available. Okay. I need to make that visible. But yes, this is going to be for all the classes again in the groups section, right? So that you can come and access the replays, right? Click on the group, click on course materials, and you will see the workbooks and videos replays, okay? Same thing with previous classes and courses if you want to find them. When we were talking about the Amazon ATM, again, you'll click it, hit the course materials section, and then you'll find the replays. Okay. So I hope that this video was helpful in helping you locate the information that you're looking for as far as the replays. Um, if you have any questions, just reach out. Blessings, good fortune, and may the profits forever be in your favor.